This is the animal making contest. First, frog. Linda, go first. Okay, now bee. Okay. I think that goes to Linda. Now a cat making now cat. Make a cat. Okay, Linda first. Okay, now bee. I have to say that goes to bee.
Cat's trying to take a poop.
Okay. Cow. Bee's up first. Your turn, Linda. Okay, just because of the laughing bee wins. You're still going? It stopped. Okay. Okay, now an elephant.
Elephant.
You're up first.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Bee, your turn. Okay, Bee, you won that. Okay, now a cow.
Stop laughing.
Okay.
Now a dog taking a poop. Bee, you're up first.
A what?
A dog.
Taking a poop.
No, just a dog. Why did you say taking a poop?
Because that's what you said.
I did say taking a poop.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Bee, you're up.
Okay.
Now you're up. I think that's good. Last but not least, owl.
Oh, no.
Owl.
I'm going to do the horse.
Owl. It's a tie. They're exactly the same. Tie.
Okay.
Horse. First up.
Oh.
Okay, B, I've heard enough. B, you're up. And the winner is... Okay, we'll be announcing the winner now. It was you.